So let me put you on a very simple routine that will brighten you, that will glow you up effortlessly, hydrate your skin, and moisturize you ahead of this coming Harmattan or winter season. Hi, how are you guys doing? It's okay, Ijoma here. And if this is the first time I'm coming across my face, hi, you're welcome. I am Ijoma and you're welcome to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always tuning in. If this is the first time of coming across my face, please do how to subscribe, turn on the post notification so that whenever I post a new video, you're among the first people to be notified of my new video. Please do how to support and like this video. This routine is going to help you to stay moisturized, brightened. You will not look tanned. It's going to help you to look glowy, soft and supple. The first thing on our routine today is a body wash, because in this season of dehydration you need to change exactly what you use so that you stay hydrated. You wouldn't use something that will dry out your skin. Do you understand? So now you're going to go in with a good moisturizing body wash or a good moisturizing bar soap, and that is why you can get the Dove moisturizing bar soap, or you get the Aveeno moisturizing body wash, or you get St. Ives body wash. So any of them is good to go this season. Need something very hydrating that will keep you hydrated, keep you moisturized. And you don't need any product that will dry out your skin this period. You need hydrating products this season. And now the second thing on our list is scrub, body scrub. You need a very good hydrating, either you're using a body polish or you're using a moisturizing scrub in the form of sugar, a sugar scrub. And you can get this Dove exfoliating body polish, or you get me this Dr. Mina sugar scrub, or the fruit of wakali sugar scrub. You need a good sugar scrub this period. Yeah, you need it. You need a sugar scrub this season, please. Now the next thing you need in this your simple skin glowing routine is a very good moisturizing body lotion, and that's why I brought to you this advanced Korean skin lotion. This lotion is so good. If you know you are struggling with stretch mark and you need a lotion that will help you in fading the appearance of stretch mark, just lay your hand on this lotion. Now the yellow color advanced Korean skin lotion, which is the Bright and Dewy Radiance Vitamin C lotion. This one right here contains vitamin E and vitamin C. It is very, very moisturizing. It is lightweight and it absorbs easily into the skin. It leaves this glowy and dewy finish on the skin, and it also improves the appearance of stretch marks. This lotion is going to fade your stretch mark. It will make your stretch mark to be less visible. Is to not get rid of it finally, because stretch mark cannot go finally on your skin, but it will reduce the appearance. This lotion here brightens so well. It brightens so well. One significant thing about this lotion again is that it gives you this soft and supple skin. And I don't know what is in this lotion that makes it to be this softening on the skin. It makes the skin become very soft, like soft. I'm giving you a personal review, right? This is a personal experience with this lotion. Do you understand? This is exactly what it gives to your skin. Your skin will be so soft and supple. No cap. It's also for all skin types. It does not select be you oily, dry combination, normal skin type. No matter your skin type, this is for everybody. And even if you are light, you're dark, you're anybody, chocolate, caramel, any color you call it, it is for everybody. It does not select skin. It will not darken you as a fair person, and it will not lighten you as a dark person. Yes, it will brighten you. It's going to brighten your skin so well. It's going to give you this radiance. That is one of my videos. I explained the difference between brightening and lightening and whitening. So this is going to brighten your skin. It's not going to lighten you. So this is for all skin types. So get this lotion and you will love your skin. Now this white one here, this white Advanced Korean Body Lotion, which is the Advanced Korean Bright and Moisture Alpha Arbutin Lotion. This one right here contains alpha arbutin, niacinamide, azelaic acid, and antioxidants. This one is more brightening than the vitamin C or the orange color. Do you understand? It is very, very brightening. It gives a double, like let's say a triple brightening. Let's assume this yellow and the orange here is giving you, like, let's say 20%, or let's say 30% brightening. This right here, this white right here, is going to give you up to 60 to 70% brightening. No cap, I'm just telling the honest review. And please, if you have any personal experience with any of this lotion, please comment down the comment section. Drop your own personal review. This also is very, very, very moisturizing. Like, it also leaves this dewy finish on the skin. It glows your skin, like it glows your skin. And if you're the type that has body acne, this is also very good for you. It will help you in fading body acne and stuff like that. If you are this kind of person that has excessive dry skin, this is very suitable for you. It's going to help your skin. It's going to help you, like, it's going to help you in moisturizing your skin. It's going to help you in relieving dry skin. Do you understand? Even though this lotion is very suitable for dry skin, but it is also lightweight. It absorbs into the skin. It will never make you sweat. You will not sweat. You wouldn't sweat. If you are the type that sweats a lot, this lotion is going to absorb quickly into your skin and you would not sweat at all. And this also helps in improving your stretch marks. It helps in fading stretch marks and stuff like that. So if you are battling with stretch mark, please go get this lotion. And also, if you are the type that has white patches, you have white patches on your body, you have white patches in your hand, your leg, any part of your body, go get this lotion. This lotion is going to help in clearing white patches. This is not my personal this thing. This is some of my customers that have used it. She literally said this cleared her white patches. This is not just saying it. No, this is what this lotion does. It's very, very good. It is a treatment lotion. And it smells so well also. It smells so nice. Like, the fragrance is nice. It's not overpowering, but it is very, very good. And this also will help in softening your skin. Like, one thing I've noticed about this range, these three lotions, is that it helps in softening the skin. There is this softness that comes with using these lotions and the body wash. If you want for a best result, use the body wash, or you can pair it with any other body wash, but the lotion is so good. The body wash too is good, but not as good as the body lotion. Do you understand? So I'll tell you the raw truth. And now the orange color one. This orange color Advanced Korean Bright and Smooth Body Lotion. This one will brighten and smoothen your skin. If you know you are battling with body acne, this one is so good for you. It contains azelaic acid, it contains tranexamic acid, it contains kojic acid and ceramides. This one right here is so good. Like, if you struggle with body acne, body hyperpigmentations, like stretch marks, all those body skin tags and stuff like that, white patches, this right here is the best you should go for. It's so well good. So if you know you are the type that battle with body acne, just get this one. It's going to also soften your skin. It moisturizes so well. This one gives you the same benefit the others give you, just that this one right here, I think the white and this one tackles majorly body pigmentations, maybe those that has dark spots, hyperpigmentations, skin tags and stuff like that, clear white patches, body acne on the back, on the chest and on the back side. You have all those impurities on your skin. I think this one tackles more of that. And to get the best results from these lotions and in this routine I'm creating for you today, what is a body lotion without a body oil? So you're going to need a very good body oil. Please note, you're not going to pour these oils into your lotion. Rather, you're going to pair it alongside. Pairing is not mixed with it. Pairing is that you combine together. Do you understand? Not mixing. Please don't mix any of these oils I'm mentioning into your body lotion. They are just for body. Apply directly on your body. So that is it. So now the body oil you're going to pair with any of this lotion in this routine I'm creating for you today is this. You're going to pair it with the Vaseline vitamin B3 body oil, or you get the Macari. There is a video I dropped. I don't know, maybe it will go up before this or this will go up before that one. So but if it's going to go up before this, I'll be leaving the link in the description box, and this is the thumbnail right here. So just click on it. I explained how this body oil works on the skin. So that is how you're going to pair it with any of this oil. Get the Macari natural glycerin. This one is so good. So pair it with any of the lotion and you're good to go. For people that want extra benefit, maybe people that are in overseas, because I have customers overseas, so I know that okay, there are some kind of lotions that you cannot easily access over there. For the benefit of people that are not in Nigeria or around Africa here, this particular one is for you. But if you're also in Nigeria, you want to get this also, you're good to go. So the lotion you're going to get is a Farmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Daily Skin Therapy Lotion. This one right here gives you 48 hours moisture. 48 hours moisture. I used this lotion back then. This lotion smells like the fragrance is heavenly. You will so smell like this. The fragrance is so nice. Like that's one thing I love about this, and it's so moisturizing. Yeah, so you can get, and it's, if you're a light skinned person just like me, you will not go dark. Yeah, just note that any of this lotion you're using, you can also pair it, you can use it alongside your complexion lotion if you feel like, so you don't go dark during this season. So I didn't say, okay, since you're getting this, leave any other product that you're using before that works for you. The main purpose of this video is to give you what will help you stay hydrated and not dry out during the winter or Harmattan period. Do you understand? So this is not, I'm not preaching this so that you put out your already had product, maybe your lightning product that you have been used. I didn't say you should just pack it and keep one side. No, you can use it. You can use this. Know how to pair them together. You just combine the all together. Do you understand? But the main purpose of this video is for you to stay moisturized, soft, and not looking dry. And do you understand? Because of the weather. And this lotion also relieves dry skin, like dry skin. It will soften your skin, it will relieve your dry skin. It's going to help in this lotion is good. This lotion is not what I'll come and be preaching, or it is already known out there. So just get this lotion if you want to glow and stay moisturized and stay beautiful this season. The oil you're going to pair with this particular body lotion if you are overseas is this Farmer's Cocoa Butter body oil. This one also gives 48-hour moisture. So you're going to pair it alongside. So this is how we are going to, for the benefit of people that don't know how to use body lotion and body oil together. So in this winter period or Harmattan season, you're going to change your routine. Yeah, I'm telling you for a fact. Do you know what? The way you apply your lotion in the raining season, the summer period, the raining season, the dry season is not the same way you apply. You need a double decker. You need a double decker application. If not, you will so look dry. Immediately you're out of the shower, you're going to first of all, on a wet skin, on a damp skin, apply your body oil all over your body, neck down. Apply it all over your body. Please don't apply on the face. So especially if you're acne prone, please don't apply on the face. But if you know you are not acne prone, you can apply on your face. It's good. Yeah, it's not bad. You can apply your body oil on your face if you know you are not acne prone and you're not you don't react to this easily. You can use it. But if you are acne prone, please don't even try it. I'll be dropping a video very soon on explaining how to choose your facial serums. I will be teaching you on how you can select your facial serum for any of your skin concerns. Do you understand? So look at, anticipate and expect that video very soon. It's on the way coming. So when you're out of the shower, use your body oil on a wet skin. Make sure you apply it generously all over your skin. Then allow it to sit in. Then you go in with your body lotion. After your body lotion, then now give another body oil on top of it. If you use your body lotion and body oil this way, this season, this winter period, your skin will not go dry. You will not feel the dryness that comes with the weather. So that is another plus I'm giving you in this video. So just use a body lotion and this way, and you're good to go. The Korean lotion, I'm going to rate it 10/10 minus nothing. Yes, that lotion is 10/10. If you want to get it, maybe you're contemplating on getting it, please go ahead and get it. And if you've already gotten it, you've used it, please drop your experience down the comment section. If this video was helpful, please do well to help me like this video, share this video. If you have any question, drop your question down the comment section. Please don't call my number, don't come to my WhatsApp asking me questions about anything on my YouTube channel, connecting any video. If you cannot drop your question in the comment section, please don't come to my WhatsApp. Please just drop your question in the comment section. I will attend to you. It might not be immediately, but I will surely reply you. Please help me like this video. Like this video. That is the only help you can render to me. Like my video, please. Always give me a thumbs up. And also, if this is your first time, if this is your first time coming across my video, please consider joining this channel. And another thing is, please help me share this video. Please help me share this video. Share. Do evangelism for me. Please share this video for me. Thank you very much. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. I'm so grateful. And to my customers worldwide, I'm so grateful for always coming back to patronize me. For your referrals, I'm so grateful. Thank you. See you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you guys.